everyone. Okay, so in today's video we are going to begin Ghulamgiri, the topic of our chapter number 8, class 8 history. Okay, so in this topic what are we going to study about is all about Jyotirao Phule. Okay, so basically Jyotirao Phule was one of the vocal freedom fighters. Okay, and he always fought for the low caste leaders, and he always stood for low caste people. Okay, and he was always opposed of on the opposite side of who opposite side of Brahmins. Okay, the Brahmins, right? So in his introduction it is mentioned he born in 1827, important year. Okay, 1827. He studied in schools set up by Christian missionaries, as mentioned here. On growing up, he developed his own ideas about injustices of caste society. Okay, so he reformed or renewed or made his ideas, made his some thoughts about who made his thoughts about the caste system which was being followed in India through being the several years, right? So now he set out to attack Brahmins. As I told you that he was always opposed Brahmins, so for that he always opposed Brahmins and attacked Brahmins, claim that they were superior to others. So we know in the earlier times Brahmins were supposed to be the superior ones as compared to other caste people, right? But now he is disapproving this fact by saying that they were Aryans. Okay, Brahmins were actually in reality and literally Aryans. Okay, and Aryans were the foreigners who came in India centuries ago and defeated Indians, and start considering the native people of India as inferior ones. Okay, Aryans are foreigners who came from outside of the subcontinent and defeated and subjugated the true children of the country. Okay, those who had lived here from before the coming of Aryans, as the Aryans established their dominance, they began looking at the defeated population as inferior, as I told you, as low caste people. Now, according to Phule, the upper caste had no right to their land and power. According to Jyotirao Phule, upper caste are actually doesn't matter. Upper caste people have no kind of have no none of the rights to say that this is their land or this is their power. In reality, all of that belongs to the indigenous people, means the so-called low caste people. So-called means uh, generally used to speak. Okay, Phule claimed that before Aryan rule, there existed a golden age when warrior peasants tilled the land, ruled the Maratha countryside. Jyotirao Phule belongs to Maharashtra, first of all, I would like to tell you. And in Just and Fair Ways, he proposed that Shudras, laboring caste. In the earlier times, laboring castes were known as Shudras, and the Ati Shudras were known as untouchables, should unite to challenge caste discrimination, right? So they all basically what they all did, Shudras and the Ati Shudras, he asked them, he proposed them, he also provoked them to unite together and again fight against their whatever evil or devil people happening into them. They should fight about that, towards that, right? So for that he also made a Satya Shodhak Samaj, an association Phule founded and propagated the equality. Okay, Satya Shodhak Samaj was the association for to reform or to stand for low caste people. So this association was made by Jyotirao Phule. Alright, now let's move to the next. In 1873, now basically in 1873 what happened? In 1873, Jyotirao Phule wrote a book named as Ghulamgiri. Okay, so in this book, basically, so this was the book Ghulamgiri. He wrote this book for by inspired from the in the inspiration of black slaves of southern Africa, the civil war of America, by getting inspired from the Civil War of America, as the black slaves fought. They also compared black slaves with the Indian low caste people, as the so he wants Indian low caste people to fight like black slaves in the Civil War of America. Okay, this Civil War of America happened in 1861 to, okay, 1865. It ended in 1865, and this book was wrote about 10 years, around 10 years, in after 10 years, that is 1873, right? So this was the Gulamgiri wrote by Jyotirao Phule. So basically after this, what happened, the Americans, here comes that as he wrote Gulamgiri, and he wanted Indians to fight against the people, fight against Brahmanas ruling powers, okay, in the injustice way. So he wanted at all. Now what happens, this all shows that Phule was a big criticizer of caste system and wanted equality in all terms, right? So he also he continued his movement in 19th century. Jyotirao Phule was a 19th century caste criticizer, but later on in the 20th century, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and E.V. Ramaswamy Naicker both did. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the Western India, and if this is your India, so in the western part of India was done by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and in the southern part of India it was done by E.V. Ramaswamy Naicker. Okay, so both continued this movement in the 20th century. Now in the next part we are going to study about who could enter temples, or it's all about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and in the second one, the non-Brahman movement, it is all about E.V. Ramaswamy Naicker. So I clear this all in the next videos, in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And to watch further videos you have to subscribe to the channel so that you could get the notification for my videos. And also if you have any kind of question or doubt in this paragraph of Gulamgiri, me here and you over there, this short source 3 as well, it's one of the accounts of Jyotibai Phule, so please mention in the comment section. I will answer and clear your all doubts in the comment section as soon as possible. So thank you, have a good day.